State Farm Car Insurance Estimate, a step-by-step guide. State Farm is one of the largest car insurance providers in the U.S., offering coverage for various needs. To get an accurate car insurance estimate from State Farm, you'll need to go through a few steps to determine the cost based on your vehicle, driving history, and coverage preferences. Here's how you can get an estimate for State Farm car insurance. 1. Gather necessary information. Before you start the process, make sure you have the following details on hand. Personal information, name, address, date of birth. Vehicle details, make, model, year, VIN number. Driving history, any accidents, tickets, or claims. Desired coverage options, liability, comprehensive, collision, etc. 2. Visit the State Farm website. Go to State Farm's official website. Look for the Get a Quote or Car Insurance Quote section. This is where you will begin entering your details. 3. Enter your personal information. You will be asked to provide personal details such as your name, address, and contact information. State Farm uses this data to estimate the insurance premium based on your location, which can impact the cost. 4. Provide vehicle information. Next, enter details about your car, including the make, model, year, and vehicle identification number, VIN. This helps State Farm calculate an accurate premium based on the type of vehicle you drive. Choose coverage options. Select the type of coverage you need. State Farm offers several options such as liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. You may also have options for additional coverage like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. 6. Review discounts and offers. State Farm provides several discounts for things like safe driving, multi-policy bundling, and vehicle safety features. Be sure to check for available discounts to lower your premium. 7. Get the estimate. After entering all the required information, State Farm will provide you with an estimate for your car insurance policy. This estimate may vary depending on the details you provided. 8. Compare and adjust. Take some time to compare your estimate with different coverage options or adjust your deductible to see how it affects your premium. You can also contact an agent for a more personalized quote. 9. Finalize your policy. Once you're satisfied with the estimate and coverage options, you can finalize your policy by purchasing your car insurance directly from State Farm. Getting a car insurance estimate from State Farm is straightforward, and with the right details, you can get an accurate quote. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.